Armor All heavy-duty products quickly clean tough grime, dirt, and dust. Armor All heavy-duty tire and rim cleaner effectively loosens and cleans brake dust and dirt. Its easy to use and unique color-changing formula provides a cue when it is done loosening the brake dust and dirt. Start spraying the product to dry rim and tire to coat the surface in blue foam. When the foam turns from blue to white, simply scrub soil using a sponge or brush to remove severe brake dust. Rinse using high-pressure water and simply dry. Armor All heavy-duty tire and rim cleaner is safe to use on tires and coated factory and aftermarket rims. Armor All heavy-duty multi-purpose cleaner provides a powerful way to clean up tough grime, oil, and grease. Simply spray the product on tough soils that build up under the hood and on tools, small engine parts, plastics, vinyl, and metals. Bring back the shine to your tools by easily wiping the product off with a damp cloth. Armor All heavy-duty cleaning wipes provide quick and effective cleaning for automotive, garage, and home use. Wipe format provides a quick and convenient way to clean. Its powerful formula cuts through dirt, grease, and oil while not drying your hands. Armor All heavy-duty products are easy to use and help quickly clean through grime, dirt, and dust.